the way I used to be. Oh, but since I met you, baby, love's got a hold on me. Fooled around and fell in love. It's got a hold on me now. Fooled around and fell in love. I can't let go of you, baby. Fooled around and fell in love. I can't stop loving you now.
This dance is called Fooled Around, choreographed by Joshua Talbot and Stephen Paterson. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level rolling count line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with the left foot, back, sweep your right, behind, side, cross, sweep your left, cross, side, 1/8 left, back, facing 10-30, right foot, back, together, point right toe forward, together, point left toe forward, together. Section 2, right foot, rock forward, recover, ball back, drag your right, back, 3/8 turn to your left, forward, point to the side, hold, facing 6, half turn right, step on your right, point and point, facing 12 o'clock. Section 3, weave, cross, side, behind, side, 1/8 left to 10-30, forward together, back together, right foot back, drag your left, back, quarter turn right, step right foot together, left foot forward, quarter turn left, step right foot together, back, 3/8 turn to your right, step right foot forward, facing 3 o'clock. Last section, chase full turn. Step left foot forward, pivot half turn right, step left foot together, facing 3. Step right foot back, drag your left, back, half turn right, forward, facing 9. Quarter turn right, side, drag your right, facing 12. Behind, side, cross, recover, quarter turn right, stepping forward, facing 3 o'clock. To start a new wall, make another half turn to your right, 1. Now you're facing 9 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 6. You will dance 24 counts, then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 6 with counts starts facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 24 count. Now make another half turn to your right. 1. Restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.